Hey friends, how are we doing? It's been a while. And today I decided to squeeze out a little time to make this video and explain this to us. I know that I still have you guys in mind. Yeah, if you are coming to my channel for the first time, my name is Inamsi, and don't forget to tap on the subscribe button and the notification bell to be updated with our latest video. So there is this trending thing that is going on. I know. And I was like, why won't I update you guys on my channel on what is happening with AI? A lot of people are using AI to do a lot of things. They are using AI to make animated videos. They are using AI to make Bible stories. They are using AI to make folktale stories, and even my fashion channel. I have tried to add a touch of AI to it. So if you are coming to the channel, this video, I just want to take my time and explain to you how to make these AI videos. Before I go into the step-by-step procedure, I would like to tell you guys how it is done. There are simple AI tools that people are using to make videos like this. Let me show you some of the videos I made using this AI. Look at this video here.
And I'm saying, tell us how Africans can discipline a child without a cane in Canada, the US, or North America generally.
Yes, this is one of the issues we face as Africans that immigrated to North America. That is why most of our kids get spoiled. I moved to Canada newly. I was scared of disciplining my 3-year-old toddler. I noticed she didn't listen when I talked. I was scared initially.
Before we go on, what were you scared of?
Video here.
I was afraid if
I made it with AI. I thought of having a story channel where I bring some motivations and all that for people. So this video is one of the things I did with AI. It will shock you. Don't worry. I will take you through the process step by step on how to do fashion, motivation, music, name it. You can use AI to do this. So there are AI tools that I use. First of all, you have to the first AI I want to talk about is Meta AI. Yeah, Meta AI sounds so simple. Some people feel it's Meta, maybe Facebook, whatever. You just ask questions. But trust me, guys, Meta AI is good. Take a look at this image right here. I made this image with Meta AI. Not only that, I was able to, after making using this image, I was able to animate it to make it to talk like this. Okay, so this image started dancing. It started doing whatever. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. And apart from Meta AI, another AI tool that I would like you guys to know about is Grok. Grok. Grok is another amazing AI. Guys, I took my whole time to explore this AI and I discovered that wow. The difference between Meta AI and Grok AI is that Grok AI will talk. The AI speaks. Whatever image you use and you write whatever you want it to talk, it will speak out. That's amazing. Meta AI does not talk. That's the difference. So I'm going to show you how to get your images to talk or to get consistent images from ChatGPT. This is another one. Gemini. Yeah, I have used Gemini, and guys, Gemini is wow. It's a Google AI platform. It can even give you videos of the 16 by 9 inches. But one thing I discover is that you cannot make more than 3 videos per day. And I also the videos are short, and again you have to sign in. I think those are the limitations I have with Gemini AI. I tried using it, but I had to put my card. I will maybe cancel it before the expiry date. So I was like, oh no, I don't want to subscribe to it. So that was what stopped me from using it. If you have the money, I think it was 28,000 naira, yeah, or dollars, Canadian dollars, depending on your location. You can try it, but I didn't want to spend that money. So guys, let's use the free tools. And the free tools we have We have ChatGTP, we have Meta AI, and then we have GROK, Grok. Are we ready for this tutorial? If you are ready, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and tell me in the comment section your thoughts about this video, what you want to use this information you have gotten from my channel to do, because I know that a lot of people are paying for this stuff. You go to Facebook, many people are running adverts, they are paying. I just decided to give you free information right here for you. So subscribe and like this video. Let's go right in to make it.
I
Yeah.
said I will show you guys how I do it. So this is Meta AI here. It's so common. You just tap on your Meta AI. When it opens, you tap on, and then once it's open at the top, tap on Imagine. Once you see Imagine, it's here. Then come down here where there is a box below here, like a picture. Tap on it, and then it will add photo gallery. You tap on it, so add the image you already generated with any of your image generation tools. This is the image, so I'm gonna paste the prompt, what I want the girl to say. You can type it, imagine it. It's content creation. What do you want to make a video about? Discover your niche. I've made other videos in this channel talking about YouTube, knowing what to post, a lot. You can still check my channel, okay? Yeah, so you will tell her to do to do to do this, make a video. So I'm still coming here, tap on make a video and set on default, then paste the prompt, and then mark this, because if you don't do it this way, it will not, she will not talk. So this is how we came about the girl that was talking. Hi, my name is Dosi, and whatever. So you can have different images,
Don't be like me. I just got pregnant and kicked out of school. Don't be like me. I just got
me your questions in the comment section wherever you are confused. Anything you want to know more, I will be here to answer you guys. Give it a try and tell me if you were able to make your first AI video. Was it realistic? Yeah, guys, I want us to make money from this too, okay? At least it's free for now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because I will surely post a video again that will help you. I love you watching.